Hey guys, welcome to Nomad Effect. My name is Benny. I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos of us fixing up our Toyota Land Cruiser. It has been a privilege to bring them to you, and we're really sorry we missed last week. We just can't do anything about the weather. Today, we are going to show you some footage that we filmed a couple of months back when we received some products from Trail Tailor. Trail Tailor is by far some of the best fabrication and products for the 60 series Land Cruiser that you can get in the USA. What happened was though, he sent these amazing products to us and we were going to put them on and just continue on with this sort of basic off-road build that we were doing. And because his products were so cool, they kind of set the bar for the rest of the build. So he's now inspired us to go all out, fix all the rust, paint it, do the interior, soundproofing, everything basically to this car to get it to the level to match the products that Trail Tailor has sent us. So I really hope you enjoy this video and checking out the products that he sent us. We're really excited, and I will see you hopefully with more build updates next week. Catch you.
Just dropped off our brand new rock sliders and our front bumper, and I'm gonna open it. I'm so excited.
There goes FedEx now.
Hi FedEx, thanks for coming.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. So we were just like getting a delivery, and the truck, I don't know what happened there, but it just hit the power line here. And now there's a power line. I don't know whether you can see this, but like coming down here, there's now a power line across the street. I'm not gonna touch that thing. I don't know whether that thing's live or what. Whoa, that was so intense. All right, coming back to soap now. Because, whew. All right, back to our regular scheduled programming. We have Sophia undoing a box.
Knife needs some sharpening.
I always end up doing this stuff. It's so stern. You look hot in the bed. So Soph's been working out like every single day of the pandemic. So you see these flexing muscles I had her now. She doesn't even need to wear gym gear anymore. She just like, when she just like starts working out, everything that she's wearing turns into gym gear.
Look at these, they're so heavy. It's so heavy.
Yeah, it's so heavy. I'm never gonna lift it up. So, do you want to explain what all this stuff is?
Okay, so let me see if I can explain, because I'm really bad at explaining. But, so this is our brand new front bumper from Trail Tailor. He customized it and it's gonna fit perfectly on our car. We have, I don't know what this is over here.
Come on, muscles. Yeah, Chantitia.
I think this is like the bar that goes on there, right? Like at the ends of it.
So there are quarter sliders.
Oh, just kidding. So these are our quarter sliders that match our other, these new rock sliders that are also from Trail Tailor. And
I mean, the whole thing's from Trail Tailor.
I mean, the whole thing is from Trail Tailor. And these are really
pretty
cool
sure.
Because they come with his logo on them. Pretty nifty. So this is gonna hide. These rock sliders are not only gonna be really good for me because I'm so short and I need help to reach the rooftop tent and stuff when I'm helping putting it up or putting it down. But also it's gonna hide all the rust in our body that is pretty bad. So pretty good. That's it.
So you're gonna bench press these or what?
Can I do it? Maybe just these. I don't know.
I may have to put this camera down and help Sophia right now. So it's all strapped together.
I'm strapped in.
Alright, I'm gonna get in this shot right now. Okay, so Jason from Trail Tailor seriously hooked us up. He basically, we did a video on just one of his other products when we were fixing our rusty frame, and he sent us an email and he was like, yo, I can do all these other things, I've got heaps of tricks up my sleeve, and what you're seeing right here is all the tricks up Jason's sleeve. So we're super excited. Jason. And right now I'm going to help Sophia pick this up and put it inside because it looks like it's way too heavy. So you'll just see us like hobbling about, and hopefully I don't drop something on my toe. So thank you, Jason. We'll get this done.
Huh? Should I leave this? No.
Sometimes it's so good not having to be the one that cleans up.
What are you laughing at?
You having to clean up. Look at you cleaning up.
Want clean up, Dan?
Clean up, clean up.
Clean up, clean up. Everybody do your work.
Alright. So, this thing looks freaking bomb. You can see Jason's logo. This is why we need really robust stuff, because I drop shit. All right, look at that. Look how thick the steel is. This thing's so heavy. All right, so we got Trail Tailor logo on the bumper. And then we got the driver's side slider and the passenger side slider. And I really should have opened up these quarter sliders here. Let me just put you guys down for a second while I undo this. So. So, seeing as Sophia stuffed that before, I'm going to let her demonstrate what these are for. Sophia, do you know where this one goes?
Yes, in the back panel.
Alright, so hang on a second, I'm going to give this to Soph and she's going to demonstrate.
Do I have shit on my face? Do I have shit on my face?
Does Sophia have shit on her face?
Do I have shit on my face?
Does Sophia have shit on her face?
No, because my hands.
Look, go the other side, look. Does Sophia have shit on her face? I'm going to go with that's yes, a yes, people.
Shit on my face. Oh my god. This is probably getting my clothes dirty too. Damn it.
Alright, Sophia.
Okay, so
show us where this goes.
This goes over here. Oh, I can't. Boom. But maybe not like that. Right?
It goes just that, it goes right up there. That's where it goes.
Here? Like, where's the little holes for it?
There's no holes. It's going to have like a U-shaped bracket that's going to go around the frame.
On here?
Yeah.
Oh wow, okay. So that goes like, ooh, sitting like that.
Yep, that's where it goes. So that way the back quarter of our car, so it doesn't matter how bad a job I do of bogging up this hole right here, that baby over there is going to protect it.
Hallelujah.
And I think I just missed Sophia giving me the like...
the van away.
Yeah, like the random like, you could win this car.
No, you can't.
No, you can't. We can't afford to give it away.
We need it.
Okay, and then this baby looks like the passenger side slider. So if Sophia takes control of the camera for 1 second, Where are my like freaking displays at? Woo. This is gonna work. Alright. Like so. Just like that.
You can't lift it?
I mean, like, no?
Just kidding.
No?
I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
Can I? No. No,
I know. Boom.
Okay, so this will come up to about here, and this is slightly angled up a little bit to come in like sort of a little bit below the bottom of the doors. And this actually just bolts with a U-bolt around the frame. Now I'm pretty sure that Jason's a pretty clever guy. You have dirtied your clothes.
I know. I saw it. My poor jeans.
And I'm pretty sure what's in here, we will find that. Hope I plugged the microphone in properly. Okay.
My God, God forbid.
And that's where you guys would hear voiceover. Can you see me?
Yeah. Well, I can see like the box. Do you need to look at your face?
Well, no, it's okay. So,
Open it up for the world to see.
Jason sent us some cardboard. No, here we go. Cool. Oh, look, we got stuff.
Oh,
all
we
right.
got little buttons.
Come on, let's come have a seat and check this out. Here.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so we got. It's exciting getting stuff like from people when they get extra stuff. So we got some. I think the best thing about this whole package is that Sophia and I got a Trail Tailor Velcro thing each.
Ooh.
It slices, it dices.
It's like Boy Scouts.
And then we got heaps of stickers. And we got business cards to put in the car so that we can give them to people when they're admiring our bumpers and our sliders.
Yeah.
Actually, I already have somebody to give one of these to.
Boom. Helping businesses.
And so what these are for is, this goes around our frame and actually goes through the holes. Should we show it? Show and tell. So this goes through the frame, around the frame, and then bolts in there so that these are attached directly to the frame of the car. And it'll also work for these, and obviously a smaller one, but yes, one of these as well. So they go directly on the frame as well. I don't know why I still got my mask on.
Can you breathe?
No. So there's obviously two sizes of those. So we got one size. So these are all for the big sliders.
Show the camera, like, you know what I mean?
Okay, and then these are going to be for the quarter sliders because they're a little bit smaller. Same. But what I'm really excited about here is that what Jason supplied us with is a lot of bolts. No, he supplied us with these, right? So these are to raise the brake lines, I'm pretty sure. So what you can actually do is you raise the brake lines because on the back of the frame on this side, all the brake lines are pretty like tied up against the inside of the frame on the passenger side of the car. So what this does is you put this as a spacer, so it'll actually lift all the brake lines off the side of the car so that these can actually fit down through it. Super smart idea. Anyone that doesn't supply their sliders with something like this is not as good as Jason. We've got plenty of hardware. I actually don't know what it's for. Anyone there? So once I start putting the car together, putting everything together, I'm sure I'll find out. But super exciting day. Like I kind of just want to take the front bumper off and put this one in right now.
I know, right? So good.